Welcome to PC Error Detective, where we solve your tech puzzles one click at a time. Today, we're diving into how to adjust volume mixer on Windows 10. If you want to stay updated with our latest tech tips and fixes, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by clicking on the Start menu icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once it's open, look for the Settings gear icon and click on it to open your Windows settings. Step 2. In the Settings window, you'll find several options. Click on the one labeled System to access various system-related settings. Step 3. Within the System settings, you'll see a sidebar on the left. Here, click on Sound, which will take you to the sound settings of your computer. Step 4. Now, scroll down in the sound settings until you find App Volume and Device Preferences. This is where you can manage the sound output for individual applications. Step 5. Finally, you'll see the volume mixer. This feature allows you to adjust the volume levels for each application independently. Move the sliders left or right to decrease or increase the volume until you find the perfect balance for your needs. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the volume mixer on Windows 10. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.